the best hair curlers of 2023, Effortless Curls and Waves. Hey guys, in today's video, we will discuss the best 6 products and what you should look out for when purchasing a new one. We've ranked the products according to performance, price, durability, and more. Please head over to the description to know more about it and its latest pricing. Best overall, GHD Creative Curl. Australian brand GHD, Good Hair Day, is known for its durable, high-quality hairstyling tools, and the Creative Curl Wand 2.0 is no exception. It's a professional-grade curling wand that allows you to create long-lasting, natural-looking curls. It features a 28mm, 23mm tapered barrel that creates a range of different curl sizes and shapes, making it ideal for creating both loose waves and tighter curls. The curved wand was designed with damage minimization in mind. It contains the breakthrough ultra-zone technology that maintains an optimal curling temperature of 185 degrees Celsius. This not only helps for curl longevity, but also ensures even heat distribution. The ultra-zone technology monitors heat distribution across the barrel and ensures it maintains a constant 365 degrees Fahrenheit for consistent styling with no hot spots. This low temperature causes less damage to your hair than scalding irons. Unfortunately, you can adjust the temperature, and thick hair may require a hotter wand. We love that this wand has a cool tip, reducing the risk of burns. Best budget, Bedhead Curlipops. For some of us, simpler is better when it comes to technology, including when it comes to our hair tools. The Bedhead Curlipops ceramic wand is no exception with its straightforward design and no-fuss, easy-to-use mechanics of a single on-off button. You're getting the features you pay for here. Of course, that's not to say this wand won't deliver. Most users gave it a collective 4 out of 5 rating for curl hold, saying that with just a little extra time spent holding hair around the wand, a defined, bouncy curl was the result. And though it loosened up a bit with time, the shape remained intact. If you don't want to spend a lot of money and you aren't looking for anything fancy, this $30 option has got you covered. This curling wand also features a cool tip and a built-in safety stand for convenient and safe styling. The 360-degree swivel cord allows for tangle-free maneuvering, while the dual-voltage feature makes it suitable for international travel. Use the Bedhead Curlipops clamp-free curling wand iron to create stunning, tight curls with maximum shine. Best versatile, Amika the Chameleon. If you aren't someone who likes to wear the same look every single day, the Amika Chameleon 5 barrel interchangeable curling kit is the wand for you. Don't be scared off by the price tag on this one, birdies. You're essentially getting 5 different irons with this kit. Plus, each titanium barrel will heat your tresses quickly and leave you with a long-standing hold and a smooth finish. Also, its temperature setting has an easy-to-read and controlled digital display that will reach up to 450 degrees for thicker, more stubborn hair types. We noticed that there was no drop to our curls as time wore on, earning this wand a 5 out of 5 rating for curl retention. Overall, we felt that this wand would be a match made in heaven for any hair chameleon and would cater to the needs of varying hair densities and textures. Best for beginners, Hot Tools Pro Artist Nano. Hot Tools is a brand known for its classic, timeless hot tools. The brand's tools, including this wand, always offer a straightforward design that's easy to use for newbies. A heat-resistant glove is included with the Nano ceramic flipperless wand, but it also provides a large cool-tip surface, which serves as a great safety net for any beginner. While using, our hair had a healthy, shiny finish with minimal frizz after using this wand, thanks in large part to the ceramic barrel and snag-free surface that offers heat protection to your strands, as well as an effortless glide. Both styling ability and curl hold ratings come in high with a 5 out of 5 for our testers. So even if you aren't new to the wand search, this Hot Tools wand option is sure to leave you with reliable results you'll be raving about. This curling wand heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature throughout your styling session, allowing for fast and efficient styling. The ergonomic design and comfortable grip make it easy to maneuver the wand, while the cool tip and built-in safety stand provide added convenience and protection. Whether you want bouncy curls or loose waves, the Hot Tools Pro Artist Nano ceramic curling wand will help you achieve the perfect look while keeping your hair smooth and shiny. Best for bouncy curls. Longe Hair Lustré. Bouncy and defined is the best way to frame your expectations from the Longe Hair Lustré curling wand. Its ergonomic design gave us a comfortable, confident grip for maximum styling control, concluding in a high 5 out of 5 rating for ease of use. Thicker hair types love the digital display, which allegedly reaches up to 450 degrees, though when we tested it with a meat thermometer, we never saw temps rise above 342. But that didn't get in the way of its secure, long-lasting results. The iron heated up quickly between temperature changes, and it was easy to achieve a bouncy curl without holding the wand in place for long. Its titanium barrel helps with quick temperature control, as well as consistent heat throughout the wand. We did have some minor snagging near the barrel's base on our first run, which is the only reason its styling ability got down to a 4 out of 5. Otherwise, this wand passed with almost a perfect score across the board, giving everyone who tried it a voluminous, bouncy head of curls.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.